7 local search hacks for SEO. If you're running a local business, then you know how important it is to get ranked at the top for local keywords. Let's say you're a plumber based in London. Getting your website to the top will constantly drive higher quality traffic through to your website and help you grow your business. In this video, I'm going to show you the 7 local SEO hacks that will help you get to the top. Starting off with number 7, see your competitors' links. So website optimization has a few moving parts. You have on-page SEO, technical SEO, and off-page SEO. On-page SEO is the quality of the content on your website. Technical is repairing errors, and off-page is link building. This is building high-quality links to your site that will drive traffic and authority, which results in better keyword rankings and more inquiries and calls. So how do you see how many links your competitor has? Let's do a search for plumber London. Now, this is a keyword that is getting searched over 4,400 times a month, so it's a great one to target. You will see the company at the top is a business called My Plumber. If we copy their URL and drop it in a tool we use called Ahrefs, you will see that they have over 1,200 referring domains pointing to this website. That's 1,200 other sites that have linked to them. This is a huge amount of backlinks and has helped them push them to the top. Ahrefs offers a free trial, so you can try this with local websites and see how many links you will need to outrank them. Number 6, find niche directories. Directory citations are another way to build links to your websites. These are websites like Yale.com, Yelp, and other websites like that. Now, these are big names, but niche directories are a great way to show Google what industry you work in, and then will rank you higher. Go to Google and do a search for plumbing directory. This will pull up all the websites that are specifically plumbing related directories or have a dedicated category for plumbing. You want to get your business listed on all of these and you'll get highly relevant backlinks to your website. The best thing is you can do this with any industry, and there are hundreds of thousands of niche directories out there. Number 5, guest posts and why it's important. Guest posting is another way to build links to your website. Let's show you an example. If we do a Google search for plumbing London and take the top URL and drop it back into Ahrefs, this will show us the backlinks to this page. You can see they have written an article on an architect website with the keyword emergency plumbing. That links to the page, and that's why it's at the top of Google. This is a great way to rank local service pages, and we do this kind of link building for our clients every single month. A good way to find guest posting opportunities is to do a Google search like this. You type in your service, let's say plumbing, then type "Write for us," just like that. This will pull up lots of websites that accept guest posts for the plumbing niche. All you have to do now is reach out to them and say to them you'd like to write a piece of content, and ask if they would link that article back to your website. Now, they're going to either want to do this for a small fee or they'll do it for free. Most website owners are looking for high quality content to rank their websites. So if you write them a good piece, there's a high chance they'll do it with no cost. Now, this can be very time consuming, so a few link vendors we would recommend are NoBS Marketplace or Linkology. These companies get good quality links for you and you just pay for each link. Number 4, build local location pages. If your business covers multiple locations, then you should use SEO techniques to rank in those different locations. The way you do this is by building location-specific pages. So again, let's go to Google and do a search for plumbers Brentwood, and then go to the first organic business result. This business is here because they have a location page dedicated to this service and this area. You can see the page uses the keywords plumbing and Brentwood multiple times. If you go to a free tool called Ubersuggest and type in your service and your local area, you can see how many people are searching this per month. This way, you can craft a content strategy to build out multiple service pages to target different areas. Number 3 is a content optimization hack. Now, if you want to rank number 1 on Google for a local keyword, then the content needs to be way better than the company that is already at the top. But how do you know how to do this? Well, a great hack is to rank pages locally by using a tool called Surfer SEO. This tool will score your website out of 100 and will help you structure and optimize your content better. Let's use this example of a page we are currently optimizing, Shop Fitters North London. We just use the content we have written, drop it into the tool, and then the tool will suggest what headers, word count, keywords, and all other kinds of information to help the content rank higher. As a rule of thumb, your content should always be better than the page that is currently at the top of Google. The content should read better, be structured better, offer more value, and be better optimized. When using the surfer tool, make sure you always start with high quality content before optimizing, and are not just trying to trick Google with low quality spamming content. It's important to know that this tool is just to be used as a guide and helps you see if you have missed anything. Number 2, use Google Keyword Planner to see exactly how many people are searching in the area. If you have a Gmail account, then you can go into Google Ads and use the Google Keyword Planner. Here you can do searches for very specific keywords in local areas. For example, let's do a search for conservatory roofs. We can see from this data that conservatory roofs and conservatory roof replacement are both getting quite a few searches. Now, if we go to Google and search for this, conservatory roof replacements Manchester, we can see the company at the top have a dedicated page. This would be a great page to build if you're targeting that service and that area. And number 1, how many pages does your competitor have? So understanding how many pages your competitors have is a great way to build a content strategy for your own website and also see how much content others have built. So let's say you're a boiler installer in Maidstone. Go to Google and type in boiler installer Maidstone. From here, we can see one of the top pages is Worcester Bosch. Get their domain and then do this. Search on Google, site, : then drop the domain name in. So that's www.worcesterbosch.co.uk. This shows us they have over 5,000 pages indexed on Google. And this way you can scan through all their pages and see if there's any idea for pages for you to use on your website. So that's it. We hope you enjoyed this content, and if you did, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well. See you on the next one.